Good morning. How are you?
waxay ku tiri good morning subax wanaagsan how are you see tahay
Oh, I'm not feeling well. I couldn't sleep last night.
wuxuu yidhi I'm not feeling well ma fiicni I couldn't ma awoodayn sleep inaan seexdo last night xalay oo noqonaysa xalay ma seexan
Why?
At 10 p.m. last night, while I was trying to sleep, my little sister was crying so hard.
waxay ugu jawaabtay markaa why sabab wuxuu yidhi at 10 p.m. last night xalay 10kii while I was trying to sleep kolkaas aan isku dayay inaan seexdo my little sister walaasheedii yarayd was crying so hard si daran u ooyeysay
What was your mother doing at that time?
waxay weydiisay what was your mother doing at that time hooyadaa markaa maxay qabanaysay why was she not taking care of your little sister maxay u daryeeli weyday walaashaada yar
Well, my mother was washing the dishes.
How about your father?
wuxuu ugu jawaabay well hagaag my mom hooyaday was washing waxay meedhaysay dishes weelkaa waxay ku tiri markaa how about your father aabbahaana ka waran
He wasn't sleeping. At that time, he was watching a football match.
waxaan maraynay ka waran aabbahaa wuxuu ku jawaabay he wasn't sleeping at that time wakhtigaa muu hurdin isagu he was watching football match wuxuu daawanayay markaa
Besides, my neighbors were dancing and singing.
besides lagu dara buu yidhi intaa my neighbors jaarkayga were dancing ciyaarayay aan singing heesayeena
Oh my God. Were they still dancing and singing at 10 o'clock last night?
waxay tidhi wee miyay ahaayeen day iyagu still dancing kuwa weli ciyaaraya aan singing heesaya at 10 o'clock last night 10kii habeenimo xalay